everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Dom.
I'm Tom.
And yes, we are back with yet another Snackcrate unboxing.
Yeah, as I love mentioning in every video, we are so obsessed with Snackcrate. Literally, when we're done filming a Snackcrate, we go ahead and order the next one, which is what we did with this one. And as you guys can see by the title, it's Canada. We've been to Canada. We have a vlog if you guys want to go check that out. I'm really excited to see what's in this one. I'm assuming that it's not too far off than what we're used to, just because Canada's pretty close to the US. Yeah. But if you guys are new around here, smash the subscribe button. I think we gained like 30 some subs after our last video, so thank you guys. And welcome to all of you that are new around here. Also, leave a comment down below if you do enjoy some of these snacks in this box or don't enjoy some of these snacks, and let us know something down below. We got a bunch of like facts and interesting info on our last video. Yeah,
we really love the interaction and like to see what you guys think about it.
Yeah. So without further ado, let's get into this box. Alright, so Snackcrate has 3 different options available to you. You can order the small package, which is 5 to 6 snacks, which is what we did. The medium package, which is 10 to 12. And the family size, which is, what, like 20 snacks or something like that.
It's pretty big, yeah.
We got a little pamphlet here that says Canada. When you're ordering these boxes, you could either pick the countries or you could let them pick for you, and you could do sweet or savory. So let's get into this box. There's also a little cheat sheet inside the box. This is Dom's thing. She loves the cheat sheet.
So with every Snackcrate subscription box that you get, you always have this like cheat sheet guide that's included in the box. So it's kind of separated by the plan that you get. So in the front, we have the mini. So we will have these 6 snacks included in ours. And then if you turn on the back, these additional 6 will be included in the original. And then in the corner, we also have the drink if you choose to get that or not.
Alright, so let's get into this box. I see like 2 bags of chips, I think, on top. Alright, so it looks like we got a bag of Ruffles here. We know Ruffles. Dom actually loves Ruffles.
I'm obsessed with
Which flavor do you like?
The sour cream and cheddar ones.
The sour cream and cheddar. Alright.
What flavor are those?
Alright. So we got our nice bag of Ruffles here. Boom, boom.
It's the all-dressed one?
All-dressed. And then it says it in French, too, I believe. It looks like it's got a pepper, a salt, and onion, so
I'm guessing it's just going to be like seasonings.
It smells good. It smells like salt and vinegar chips.
Really? I don't want this big of a one.
Alright, here.
It does. It smells like salt and vinegar.
Ready?
Yeah, cheers.
Cheers. Mmm.
Pretty good. I've never had this flavor before.
Mmm.
It's like barbecue.
That's good. Mmm.
It's like very subtle barbecue and like salt and vinegar. It's pretty good.
I like those. Wow. Those are good.
They are good.
To me, this is like a mix of a sour cream and onion chip and a salt and vinegar chip, which are like 2 of my favorite chips. Wow, this is good.
It's not like too overwhelming either.
Yeah, I actually really enjoyed those. I'm going to give that like a 9 out of 10, honestly. Yeah,
I think I'll go like 8 or 9 out of 10.
Things to get 10 out of 10s for me are things that are going to like shock me, that like sound disgusting but taste great. Alright, let's get into the next pack here. Oh, I accidentally ripped it a little, but here's what it looks like. Old Dutch ketchup chips.
Ketchup?
Ketchup chips? What are you, sketched out? Oh, it smells. Smell it.
It smells like ketchup.
It smells like ketchup.
I mean, I don't hate ketchup, but like...
They're like...
It's like ketchup.
They're like red. Can you guys see this? It's like a, like...
It looks like a Lay's chip with just like a lot of red seasoning on it.
Yeah, like ketchup seasoning was like dumped on it. Alright. Cheers.
Cheers. It's literally straight ketchup. It literally tastes like, I don't know if anyone else in like other countries do this, but I'm sure a lot of Americans do this. With like Lay's, if you get, or any really plain chip, if you just like dip it in ketchup to get like that French fry feel. Doesn't it?
It literally tastes like you just dipped this in a pack of ketchup. It's very strong. Very strong.
It's literally ketchup.
It's very strong. I actually didn't mind it though. I'm gonna give that one like, what do you think? I'm giving it like a 7. I'm gonna give it like a 7 just because like I could eat a whole bag of those, but I don't know. It's very strong, but I did enjoy it more than I was expecting to. So I'm gonna give it like a 7, maybe 7.5. It was pretty good, but it definitely wasn't better than the Ruffles.
No, I would give it a 5.
All right, so what do we got next?
I'm gonna go with this lollipop.
What the?
It looks, so I'm guessing it's made out of like maple syrup, or like it tastes like maple syrup.
Let me get it closer up.
The brand is Gourmet. Am I correct? All right, so we're opening it up.
I'm still eating these chips.
They literally are like maple syrup.
Mmm.
Let me lickies. All right, ready?
That smells good.
I think it's literally syrup.
It's just like...
I think it is.
It's just like syrup on a stick.
Seriously, just get like a couple licks in. Doesn't it literally taste
It literally tastes like syrup on a stick.
I gotta see this. It is literally 100% pure maple syrup.
That's cool.
I love it.
It's good. Well, when you think about it, lollipops are just sugar on a stick.
I'm sorry, everyone. You're seeing a side of me that I've never brought out before. You know what maple syrup does to me.
Wait. Can I just say one thing first? Look how like lopsided the top is. Do you say it's like so uneven?
Yeah, but you can't help that.
But not every maple leaf is the same, like a snowflake.
Maybe she's bored with it. Maybe.
Okay, so... Oh, we got Maynards again. We got Maynards again. Maynards.
What did they make before?
They were in the UK box.
Oh, with the gummies? What the heck?
I'm trying to get it to focus. Alright, you saw the package. We got Maynards. Wasn't that the same brand that did the UK
gummies,
stuff?
The gummies,
yeah, the
right?
gummy stuff. Yeah, so we got Maynard's Fuzzy Peach. Ooh.
Fuzzy?
Are they like peach rings? Fuzzy.
They got hair?
No.
The peaches are going through puberty.
Oh, they smell like peach rings. Oh my god.
Well, I would hope so, or that'd be bad advertisement.
They look like a little peach gummy.
They're so good.
They're mine. You get the lollipop, I get those.
No, that's okay. Oh, they're good. Alright, so what would you rate those? 10?
Peach rings are one of my favorite snacks here. So I'm going to rate those like a 9.
Why?
Why what? Not a perfect 10? I don't know. I only really like to give perfect 10s out to those that like shock me. Like if I'm not expecting it, it's like, wow. Like that, I was like, oh, they probably taste like peach rings, and they exactly did.
Yeah, but I'm gonna give them a 10.
So I'm gonna give stuff a 10 that shocks me, that is like, wow, I was not expecting this to be as good as it was. Those I had high expectations for, and they definitely delivered. Alright, so far we had the 2 chips, we had the gummies, and we had the lollipop, and it's all been really good this week.
Yeah.
Honestly, I've enjoyed all of these snacks so far. We have 2 more snacks left before we have the drink. So make sure you stick around to the end to see what this drink is, because we always do those last, and those are kind of always the scariest to me, I think. Alright, you're next.
I'm gonna go with Thrills. So it looks like it's like a gum.
It does look like gum.
And it says it still tastes like soap. So this gum is purple. And apparently it tastes like soap. Wait, I gotta look at this. Oh, so it says it's rosewater flavored chewing gum. Rosewater.
Rosewater.
That's like old people perfume.
It still tastes like soap. I'm not gonna lie, I haven't seen gum in a package like this in like ages.
Yeah, I think Orbit always used to
Yeah,
put
Orbit.
Orbit. And Try It. Did Trident use? No, Orbit. It was Orbit.
It's like a little
liquor.
Purple piece of gum, orbit looking piece of gum.
It smells like soap.
I'm scared. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Look at Lily.
It literally tastes like soap. It literally tastes like soap. It like literally tastes like soap. Like Irish Spring. Now I can't get it out of my mouth. I literally just feel like I ate soap.
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Oh, why? If your slogan says it still tastes like soap, it looks like you need to still work on your recipe if it still tastes like soap.
Oh my god! That's by far the worst thing we've had. Oh my god, that is literally so nasty.
I gotta have another pea drink.
Oh my god, me too.
Seriously, like it literally...
I just spit all over this. Ew, it literally tastes like soap. It literally tastes like soap. I'll tell you what, if you got a kid that curses and you want him to stop cursing, you make him chew that gum.
Literally wash it out with soap.
Literally soap in your mouth.
Like, I thought they were just joking.
So did I. Oh, it gives me chills down my spine.
Ew, it really does.
Honestly, alright, so...
I'm giving that a 1.
I'm giving that a 0. I literally feel like I just chewed soap and then rinsed it out with like old man cologne. Oh, for those of you that are out there and knew what we were about to just put in our mouths, I bet you were so excited to see that.
I'm like, yeah, do it.
They're like, ooh, they're gonna hate it.
No, but honestly, I wanted to like have one of you who genuinely likes this gum like comment.
Yeah, like
I just want to know if there's people out there who really like this Thrills gum.
I will never put that in my mouth again. Never. Let's get to the next and final snack here. Oh, thank God. We got some kind of like toffee or something.
Thank gosh.
Here. Macintosh's creamy toffee. Alright.
They lied.
Alright, so this is what it's looking like. It looks just like toffee, just like some kind of like caramelized coffee slash like basically just a bunch of caramel like frozen. Alright, let's see. I hope this doesn't get stuck all in my teeth. I hate that.
That's what... If you can bite it.
Would I hurt my teeth? Don't break your teeth. It's not hard. It's not too hard, not too soft. I'm not a big toffee guy, alright?
Me neither.
It's more like an older, like my dad loves toffee. I know my grandma loved toffee.
Or I'm sure it's probably like an acquired taste if you have to keep eating it.
Don't get me wrong, like it's good and I'll enjoy it if I eat it, but it won't be like my go-to thing. You're supposed to like suck it, like get the flavor. Like you're not supposed to bite right in the toffee. I know that.
Yeah. But
I'm gonna give that one honestly like a 6 or 7, just because I'm not a big toffee guy, and it said not too hard, not too soft, but that was pretty hard to me.
Yeah.
We need to have like a segment like why is this a thing? And if you do like this, like I said, I'm not trying to bash like what you like, but I really want to know down below, do you enjoy this soap gum? Like I really want to know, because that was probably top 3-5 things I've ever put in my mouth. Alright, on to the final thing. We have our drink, and it's in a glass bottle. I told Dom last week that I want to start keeping these, because I feel like it's kind of cool, especially this one. Like, it's literally
glass.
It's literally a glass bottle. I thought that said soap for a second.
Alright, I'm head up.
So, this is Beck Cola, organic. So, some of this is in French.
Alright, so on our little cheat sheet, it said, Beck Cola. It's a full Canadian experience in a bottle. This organic soda is made in Quebec and sweetened with rich maple syrup.
Ooh.
Twist it off.
I think I could. Yeah, it's a twist cap. It says it here.
Alright.
Half of it is in French because it's from Quebec. So let's get this bad boy open. And I guess I'll take the first sip. And let's go. I'll wait to give my reaction until you taste.
Not good. Organic. I don't really taste the maple syrup.
Are you serious? I taste it a lot.
I don't.
I feel like I just drank out of a bottle of syrup. I'm not even kidding you.
I don't taste it.
So, what I should have expected this week was snacks like ours and everything syrup. And so far, we've gotten 2 syrup products because you guys know how Canada is and their maple syrup. But honestly, this isn't bad.
It's not bad.
It's not bad. It's just, for me, it tastes just like Coke in the beginning, right? Like, it's got the fizz.
Yeah, I think.
And then the aftertaste is just like, you know that good syrup like that you can get from the store that's like from Canada, like the good maple syrup, not like the Aunt Jemima or Mrs. Butterworth, like the good kind. It tastes like that at the end. Like you get a hint of that at the end. It's actually pretty good.
I'm gonna take another sip too. I don't taste the maple syrup.
I do. It's at the end.
It smells like
You gotta catch it at the end. Watch. Drink it again. Get a nice big gulp.
I don't really taste it. I really don't.
Wow, I taste it at the end. Alright, so we hope you guys did enjoy today's episode. If you did, leave a like down below. Subscribe if you're new around here. Let's get our way to 200 subs. Right now at recording, we're at almost 130. We thank you guys so much for all the amazing support. And we're going to keep pushing out content for you guys that involves traveling, you know, days in our lives, things we do, you know, just because we love traveling and we love going out and trying new things. And we hope you guys do have a great week and are staying safe. We are going to be, I believe, back next week, depending on the weather this week. We should be having a video for you guys next week. If not, we'll be there the following. But I'm Tom.
And I'm Dom.
And we're out. See you,
right.
everybody.